this is my top knot right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull it straight through, like so. There you have it, that's the whole stitch through the ears. YouTube, what is up with? It's your boy Dead Too Nasty is here with another video. Today we're about to remove the stitches from your puppy's freshly ear cropped ears. So I can see I already got started. But I'm gonna go over some materials you're gonna need today. I prefer you wear some gloves. You're gonna need some scissors. You're gonna need some peroxide to clean the ears afterwards. Some type of solution to put on the ears for healing. I suggest Neosporin. And a cloth or some cotton balls to clean the ears. So first thing you're gonna do, we're gonna start off by cleaning the ear. You can see exactly where our threads and stuff are, so clean all that off. All right, y'all. See where our position and everything cool. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna find first where all our knots are. So I see I got a knot right here at the bottom. Yes, let me see. So I got a knot right here. The bottom, what looks like it holds these loops together. So I know for sure I'm gonna cut between there. So let me hold the knot up. Cast off doing a perfect job for us, holding still here. Come here, baby. I'm sorry, I'm being a little rough with you. I'm sorry. All right. Make sure I cut right on the knot. Need some tight knots. There we go. Ooh, I got some blowback. That's a perfect cut right there. Broke the knot. Pull this loop through. Oh, mama, don't. Come here. You can see, got the loop coming up.
I'll show you guys.
Got the string there. And then what you want to do is you want to shorten it a little bit and then you want to just continue. Sorry, I'm messing up on the recording. So you just want to continue on the loop after you cut the string a little shorter, as y'all can see how long that string is. You don't want to be feeding that long ass thread through her ear, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it and continue the loop. So set y'all back up and continue the job. Let me see. Cut. Nice length. You're gonna go back to feeding it on through the ear. If you're having a hard time getting the loops up, what you can do is you can take a toothpick, bend off the pointy end. You don't want to hurt her or reopen any wounds. You can just feed it through the toothpick after you push it up. Just like so. Just feed it through. Nice little pull. There we go. Another piece of string right here. So just to clarify, y'all, we started from the bottom knot. As y'all can see, I still got my top knot right here. We're just gonna go ahead and cut a little piece of this down. We still got another knot right here down at the bottom also. Come on. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut half that. Come on, Mom. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to pull it, but you pulling away from me. It's making me pull it tighter. I'm not trying to pull it. So, there you go. Cut a nice little piece off. And what we're going to do is find our thread. Then we're going to feed it through the top. We see a loop. Loop. Pull it through my fingers. Pretty short. Just go up here and go up to the next one. This one's a little harder to get, so we're gonna go ahead and grab the toothpick, find the loop, pull it straight up. And now we're gonna come up to the top. And as you can see, this is my top knot right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull it straight through, like so. There you have it. That's the whole stitch through the ears. So now what we're gonna do is just gonna get this last stitch out here in the bottom. First what we're gonna do is we're gonna find the thread. Got the thread here. See where it's connected. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my toothpick, find the loop. Got my loop. I'm gonna hold it there. Grab my scissors. Once you got your loop, you're gonna take out your thread, go right under the knot. Just gonna wanna cut, just like so. There you go. I've now removed all the stitches out of my dog's ears. Everything's looking good. Just gonna go ahead and double check, make sure there's no stitches still in their ears anywhere. Pull that one little piece out. That's the last of the stitches, y'all. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a fresh new cloth, dip it in some hydrogen peroxide, and we're gonna clean both her ears. Inside, outside, around it.
Very good, thoroughly. This cloth, wring it out. You don't want this to be dripping all down your ears. Just want it wet. Look at her. She's doing a wonderful job. Wonderful job. So I'm gonna start by cleaning the outside. After this, y'all, after I take the things out, you still want to put newborn clean the ears down here. For so you still want any bacteria or continue disease in your ear, ear infections, stuff like that.
It's your first time doing this at home, y'all comment down below. Let me know how y'all did. Was y'all able to do it by yourself? Do you need further help, further instructions? Comment down below. I'll be sure to get back to your comment as soon as possible. All right. So you applied that. I'm gonna get a handful of needle spoon. We're gonna apply that next on your ears. Alright, y'all. That is how you take the stitches out of your puppy's ears. Y'all stay tuned for more content. I'll be dropping some more videos real soon. Got a handful of content for y'all. If you new to the channel, subscribe. Leave a like on this video. Comment down below. And yeah, y'all have a good one. Peace.